The more you put into life, the more you get out of it, basically. I've met Leanne, a nice Aussie girl. She's just amazing. Yeah, I just wanted to do something special. And hence why I'm making this trip to meet her family and hopefully asking a very important question.
Sydney has been a place that I've always wanted to go. You know, I've been saving for this for 3 years. Definitely going to be the trip of a lifetime. My name is Dan Cox, originally from St. Louis, Missouri in the United States.
My name's Ella. I grew up in England.
I'm Julia from Moscow.
My name's Isabel. I live in China.
Okay, here's the story. So we've been engaged for just about 1.5 years now. We really want to just kind of start the year off with a bang. What a better place to go to than Australia, especially Sydney.
I've been in Australia for about 1 year now. I had friends that have been planning to come out for a while and they really wanted to be here for New Year's Eve.
Every year I go to Sydney and then we have fun like fireworks.
I just want to make next year as special as I can.
On behalf of the airline and all crew on board, we'd like to welcome you to Sydney. The current weather outside is a sunny 27 degrees Celsius. Very
This is my first New Year's Eve in Sydney, and I've always wanted to see the fireworks.
So as you can tell, we have made it to Sydney.
It's going to be amazing.
It's going to be unforgettable.
Sydney, I think, is the best place to spend New Year's Eve.
Happy New Year, I love you.
新年快乐!
It's something we'll definitely remember, especially for years and years to come.